If you're long-term investing, you don't really need the level 2, but if you're day trading, it's an absolute must. So here in the Thinkorswim platform, this right here is the level 2, and this is your time and sales. This level 2 is going to be your window into supply and demand. You're trading people in the stock market, not stocks, and so you need to understand supply and demand. So right here you can see bid, that's the current price this buyer is sitting at, and that is the bid size. So this side is going to be your buyers. This side right here, the ask, is going to be your sellers. There's the price, and then there's the amount of shares that are being sold. Now with Thinkorswim, you have to add 2 zeros to the end of these numbers. So this is actually 1,300 shares on the sell side, and this is 100 shares on the bid side. Supply and demand, if you have a lot of supply and not enough demand, then the price is going to go down. If you have a little bit of supply, which is your sell side, and a lot of demand, which is the buy side, then the price is going to go up.